Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to spot crypto exit scams before they rug using free tools that actually work. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's save your wallet from getting drained. Rug pulls usually don't come out of nowhere. The red flags are always there if you know where to look. Here are tools pros use to catch them early. First up is the one TokenSniffer.com. Just paste the contract address. It will instantly show a scam score. Watch for warnings like owner can mint tokens, no liquidity lock, or high tax fees if it's under 60 out of 100. Next, this website is called RugDoc.io. It's perfect for new launches. Look up the token or project and check the risk rating. They also explain why a token is risky, like if the DEF can disable selling or if the LP is set to unlock soon. Another great one is Coplas Labs. This breaks down contract permissions like whether the DEF can change fees, blacklist wallets, or mint new tokens. Any of those can be used to rug. Search contracts and see when the LP unlocks. If it's a few days away and the token is pumping, that's a big warning sign. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.